Source B. Cell 9 from the Lienzo de Tlaxcala, from A Companion to Mexican History and Culture. The lienzo, a piece of linen, was illustrated in 1581 by native artists and overseen by the Spaniard Diego Muñoz Camargo. The Lienzo de Tlaxcala shows the history of the Tlaxcala tribe, a nearby group of native Mesoamericans who were enemies of the Aztec and allies of the Spaniards in their conquest of the Aztec Empire. Malinche is a key character in the lienzo. She was a native Mesoamerican woman who translated for Cortez and was very important in making European alliances with other tribes possible. Cell 9 of the lienzo shows the meeting of Cortez and Malinche with the Aztec Emperor Moctezuma. In Cell 9, Malinche is the woman in robes on the right-hand side, pointing at Montezuma. The Spanish and Tlaxcala warriors are attacking the Aztec Emperor Moctezuma, who stands at the top of the stairs. While unsuccessful in their first attempt, the Spanish and Tlaxcala eventually returned and captured the Aztec capital of Tenochtitlan.